Welcome to Get Out Go. I'm Christoph and this is my campsite review of Tsendze Rustic Camp. Tsendze Rustic Camp is located in the northern part of the Kruger National Park. The Kruger National Park is one of the largest game reserves in Africa. Tsendze is around 7.5 hours drive from Johannesburg with two main routes to choose from. The closest town is Phalaborwa, which is around an hour and a half's drive. Tsendze is the only rustic camp in Kruger. Rustic basically means that there are no electricity points or the usual Kruger camp facilities. The major emphasis of the camp is thus quiet, peaceful camping immersed in nature. Tsendze is a satellite campsite for the Mopani Rest Camp, located only 15 minutes away. At Mopani you'll find the reception to check in, as well as a shop, restaurant, laundromat, fuel station and a swimming pool. There are just 34 campsites, and before you arrive you can request the specific site you want by phoning Mopani reception. You'll find a link to the campsite map in the description below. Tsendze's following is such that people book their favorite campsite up to a year in advance. Each site is carved out of the bush. This gives you some privacy and a sense of being in the wild, even though there's a perimeter fence. A few sites are located along the fence, so you can often see passing animals. But unlike other camps in the Kruger that also have perimeter sites, you don't have to sacrifice your personal space to enjoy front row seats. Tsendze is a fence camp, but guests have to open and close the gate themselves, so be sure you close it on your way out. The campsites are generously sized and come with a bin, braai, water tap nearby and shade for most of the day. My favorite campsites are 3, 4, 13, 14, 15 and 17. The camp offers 2 communal kitchens and ablution blocks. The bathrooms need some maintenance, but they clean daily, and the outdoor showers are definitely the best in Kruger. The outdoor showers are great for some stargazing while you wash away the heat of the day. There are standard indoor versions as well. Hot water is gas powered and can be a bit fiddly at times. Just let Roger or Alina know and they'll sort it out. Speaking of Roger and Alina, these guys are some of the very best hosts you'll find in Kruger.
The campsite, Tsendze Rustic campsite, as you always see.
Lights are powered by solar, so always switch off when you're done and take a flashlight just in case the power's out. The kitchen offers sinks for washing up, gas stoves and a communal fridge. Contrary to popular belief, as far as wildlife is concerned, you can look forward to many sightings of elephant, buffalo and even the rest of the big five just outside the gate. Bird life is in abundance in and around the camp as well. There is also no shortage of night sounds at Tsendze. Fall asleep to the song of the local Scops owl, awake later to the laugh of hyena or the call of lions not far from camp. Points of interest near Tsendze include the Shipandani and Pioneer Dam Heights and the Mooiplaas picnic spot. For game drives, walks, bush breakfast and bush braais, inquire at Mopani reception. If you aren't keen on the crowded main camps and you're looking for a different rustic Kruger experience, try Tsendze. Bookings can be made through the Sandpark's website or by calling the main reservations number. Check-in is at Mupani Rest Camp, and remember to give them a call ahead of time to request a specific site. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, get out there.